Microsolve is a uniquely formulated blend of ingredients designed specifically to accelerate bacterial growth and solve many of the problems that result when the handling and treatment of food wastes, vegetable fat, animal fat, and petroleum wastes are either intentionally or inadvertently dumped into wastewater systems. Microsolve is a positive approach to control fat and grease buildup in grease traps, lift stations, wet wells, and collection systems. Microsolve has helped some of the largest water organizations in Texas, Florida, Georgia, and even Mexico. Some of these clients include San Marcos, North Alamo Water, LCRA, South Padre Island, Galveston Island, Delray Beach, Pasco County, Temple Terrace, and Lake Butler. When Microsolve treatment begins at a new site, it requires patience and 4 to 12 weeks to see considerable results. The treatment system is easy to install and requires these simple tools: a 110-volt plug, a fence, a peristaltic pump supplied by Evergreen Southwest, and Microsolve. The small automatic pump then applies the product to grease cakes and buildup throughout the day. By applying the product at slow intervals, you allow for the product to work longer at the application point. Microsolve also has a predisposition to stick to grease and pipes, therefore preventing large amounts of the product from washing downstream before it has a chance to work. When treating a lift station, Microsolve's cleaning benefits will be seen throughout the adjoining collection lines and even at the treatment plant itself. With these simple steps, your entire waste management system can benefit from the superior cleaning power of Microsolve. The amount of Microsolve that should be applied during treatment will depend on the amount of grease buildup, the clarity of the lines upstream and downstream, any pre-existing odor problems, and the type of industries feeding into the area, such as car washes, food factories, hospitals, apartments, or residents. Applying Microsolve at a lift station is very simple. Start by assembling the peristaltic pump on top of the 55-gallon drum, and then plugging the pump into a 110-volt plug. The pump has 2 hoses attached to it. One hose pulls Microsolve out of the drum and into the pump. The second hose runs from the pump to the problem area and mists Microsolve over the grease and buildup. The pump will now automatically disperse Microsolve throughout the day. After approximately 4 weeks, clients can typically lower the dosage to 8 to 10 gallons per week. There are 2 different application methods for collection lines. You can either apply Microsolve at the lift station upstream from the problem area, as described in the previous section, or you can apply it directly at the adjacent manhole. Application at the manhole is simple. One method is to use the peristaltic pump in a secure location to spray the product at 15-minute intervals. Another way is to have one employee pour the recommended dose of 5 to 10 gallons once per week directly into the manhole. Treatment plants can often accumulate high amounts of solid or sludge in the bar screens, aerators, clarifiers, and the collection lines that run between the systems. The best solution to treat these problems is to use Microsolve in these locations in order to bring the system back to its intended condition. By permanently incorporating Microsolve into your waste management system, you can continue to maintain the healthy bioremediation process and prevent future buildups. Microsolve is not a quick fix, but rather a long-term, cost-effective wastewater treatment system tool. You will start to see measurable results in as little as 4 weeks, and true benefits will be experienced within 12 weeks. While none of the following procedures are necessary, a few additional man-hours can decrease the treatment time for your system and help you reach a simple maintenance level of management. Once the Microsolve treatment system starts to loosen the caked grease, a pressured water hose can clear debris, remove large pieces of buildup, and expose new surface area of the grease cake, therefore allowing the bacteria and Microsolve to work on these fresh layers. Vacuuming loose grease from your system will also help in the treatment process. Spraying and vacuuming the lines following the initial treatment period of Microsolve is not necessary. However, you may find it will more quickly lead to lower doses of the product and therefore even more money saved in the long run. Microsolve alone will reach the same desired results, but these simple steps can help you reach the maintenance level of your wastewater system even sooner. Now that you have seen how easy it is to treat your wastewater system with Microsolve, let's look at some of the long-term benefits of this product. With the addition of Microsolve to wastewater systems, the biological pathways are no longer inhibited due to hardened grease cakes and the lack of facultative microorganisms, and as a result, biological activity, growth, and metabolism are substantially increased. Tremendous benefits in wastewater system can then be achieved, including considerable increases in treatment efficiencies, leading to substantial savings in operating costs. Our customers have found this product also saves them from many of the typical county and state fines from overflows and water clarity, which means you keep more of your money within your organization. By breaking down grease and buildup, Microsolve reduces the sludge and solids interfering with your pumps and allows pumps to work more efficiently, which saves you energy, time, wear and tear, and money on repair costs. Microsolve also eliminates chokes caused by buildup in collection lines and eliminates the frequent damage to pipes from these chokes. Through eliminating sludge and grease buildup in collection lines and lift stations, Microsolve significantly reduces the production of hydrogen sulfide. This colorless, toxic, and flammable gas creates a foul odor noticed by the community and can create a dangerous environment for your employees. Using the safe bioremediation powers of Microsolve will create a healthier waste system environment and save you considerable amounts of time and money. Your organization will see numerous long-term benefits, such as a healthier system and environment for your community and employees, and save money in repairs, man-hours, risk management, and fines. Microsolve is a low-maintenance, cost-effective, and thorough cleaning tool that will benefit your waste management system immediately with results you can depend on in the future. Thank you for your time and consideration.